Decided to branch out with a Starbucks collab here, hazelnut macchiato. So let's give it a go, and I will tell you what it's like, and maybe what I think about it too. Obviously, there's Japanese on here because I am based in Japan. Okay, a bit of a downside for me is that you're actually only getting 6 cups out of the one that I got here because you have to do 2 parts, a milk part and the coffee part. I don't know where the flavor is located, but I thought actually, I didn't look at the box precisely, but it's finicky to do two, A, and B, you get less value for money and more packaging. And these are very luxurious items. They're plastic. Not that great for the environment, but the result is delicious usually, so that's why I go for it. And plus, I have a machine that does it. Now, of course, you don't have to use the milk part if you don't want to, so that's an option as well, but I think I'm going to. My cup is dirty, I know. Okay, the result is this cortado type of thing. My cup is a little too small, I think. So I only added, I guess, maybe a quarter of the milk. And as a result, it's a very rich coffee, robust taste. Compared to the regular Dolce Gusto caps, I think this is a more refined flavor. It's very coffee-esque. If I put a little more milk in it, it might soften it up a bit. But I really quite like this. I don't like that I like it better because it means I'm going to be spending more. We'll see. I like rotating out my coffees, so. And another thing, I did add a little bit of stevia. Oh no, it was Lakanto that I added to there, so a little bit of sweetness. And the hazelnut flavor in this, I find it very subtle. It's not one of these sweet hazelnuts. It's unsweetened, which I really, really like. Depends on your personal preference, but this worked for me. Yeah, enjoy this one. Recommend.